Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, inside day in Tesla, very low volatility, especially considering that the NTSB, National Transportation Safety Board, came out with the preliminary findings from the investigation of the March 1st crash in Florida that killed a driver of a Tesla Model 3. They determined that the autopilot was engaged about 10 seconds before, and the driver did not have their hands on the wheel for the last 8 seconds, right until it went into the side of a semi and essentially ripped the roof off of it. And again, that's just preliminary report, but it didn't really affect the stock that much. What we're watching for now is this to just keep dropping down. By the way, this still is a potential double bottom. Key level we're watching for, besides the peak, 234.52 triggered the double bottom. That would be on a closing basis. The intraday level we're now watching is about 235.50 intraday. That's the rotation zone coming down. Now this pattern, we're drifting sideways. There's two ways. We've talked about correction like this last time, where we had the double bottom, then we corrected back into the rotation zone. That's the one kind of correction where you return to the rotation zone. The other kind is where you drift sideways and the rotation zone comes to you. Now what happens when we watch for the rotation zone to come to the price action, we then watch as it gets closer and closer. Many times if there's going to be continued weakness as it starts getting close to this about 232.50, 233 level, we might see the price break lower. So if we start breaking these key lows, the swing low of 224.50, as the daily rotation zone starts dropping, then we'll start watching for the lower prices, same levels as we've talked about. Now with that double still being in place, you can see here the upper end. Let me zoom in here. Let me grab my other pointer. The other end is still within the daily rotation zone, so that can still, this could trigger, run up to the rotation zone, and then rotate down. It just hasn't been able to get enough traction to get above the most recent, this little high from this gap down of 234.50. So that's what we're going to keep watching for on any rally. Other than that, nothing else to do. Tomorrow we'll do a weekly wrap up based off the price action for the whole week. So please tune in then, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.